question number 7 says the equation of a circle is x minus 6 square plus y plus a square is equals to 18. The line with the equation y is equals to 2a minus x is a tangent to the circle. Find the two possible values of constant a. Okay, so for the circle one, let's visualize it. There is a circle and there is a tangent line over that circle. So let's just touching at one point. Okay, now what is the center of the circle? They say it to be, as evident from this, that it must be 6 comma minus a. Okay, so this is your circle and tangent equation is 2a minus x. Two possible values of a. Okay, so we don't need to go into further about the points or the equations. The first thing, that if they have a point of intersection, if there is a tangent line to a circle, obviously there is one point of intersection. So whenever we have a point of intersection, so what do? Either if we have like two curves that have equations y is equals to some form, so we can equate them, or if we have two equations like these, so we can substitute in. Okay, actually the purpose is to solve them simultaneously so that we can have the values of point of intersection. Okay, so let's substituting equation of line in equation of circle. Okay, so we'll get x minus 6 square plus, what is y? 2a minus x plus a square equals 18. Now it will give you x square plus 36 minus 12x two a plus a gives you 3a minus x. So plus 3a minus x whole square equals 18. Now solving it also, 3a minus b whole square, it will become 9a square plus x square minus 6ax minus 18 equals 0. So this will give you 2x square, then minus 6 2 plus ax okay, I actually took 6 also common. Okay, and then minus 18, 36 minus 18 will give you 18. 18 plus 9a square is the constant term, plus 18 plus 9a square. Okay, so this becomes another quadratic. Now what to do with this quadratic? Whenever we have one point of intersection, so that means, and we have like two unknown variables, so what we do, we first arrange it in the form of a quadratic again, and then we use the discriminant. So for one point of intersection, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 for one point of intersection. Okay, so what is b? b is this. B square minus 4a, and this is your c. Okay, so it will give you b is minus 6 times 2 plus a minus 4a, c is 18 plus 9a square, that is 6 times 4 plus a square plus 4a minus 8 times 9a square plus 18 equals 0. So this will give you 36 a square plus 36 4 times is 144 a plus 144 plus minus 8 9 times is 72 a square, and 8 18 times is again minus 144. Now just 36 minus 72 will give you minus 36 a square, then plus 144a, and then these two will be cancelled, so equals 0. So now from here we will get the a values. We'll be taking a common, because if we are not sure a is non-zero, we cannot cancel it out. So a common, and we will be left in minus 36a plus 144 equals 0. So this implies either a equals 0 or minus 36a plus 144 equals 0. So that implies a equals to 144 over 36. That is 4. So we get two values for a, and this is what they asked. Find the two possible values for the constant a. So this is your whole working for question 7, part A. For the greater value of a, find the equation of the diameter which is perpendicular to the given tangent. Okay, for this reason, let's take this diagram and let's see what are they asking for. They are asking for, like, this is your tangent and they need the equation of the diameter that is perpendicular. The diameter could be anywhere, here, 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 but they need the equation of that diameter that is perpendicular to the given tangent. Okay, that means you need to find the diameter at this point of tangency. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to, for any line, for equation of any line, we need two things. We need slope, gradient, m of diameter and point on your diameter. So, and they say for the greater value of a, that means obviously on this line the center will lie and this a value would be 4, greater value of a, so we are taking a to be equals to 4. So your point would be 6 comma minus 4 is your center. Okay, now so instead of point let's write center. So this is 6 comma minus 4. And what will be the slope of the diameter? For this we should be needing the slope of the tangent. Do you know the slope of the tangent? You know the equation of the tangent line, and that is 2a minus x. So if it is written in the form y is equals to minus x plus 2a, so mx, so m from here, this implies m of tangent is minus 1. Okay, so using this, m of tangent is minus 1. This implies slope of diameter would be negative reciprocal, so that means 1. Now, the equation of diameter would be by slope intercept point slope form of equation of line. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 are the coordinates of the point that lie on the line, and slope is the slope of your line, that is diameter in this case. So y is minus 4 equals 1 times x minus 6. So y plus 4 equals x minus 6. So y is equals to x minus 10. So this is your equation of your diameter. Equation of diameter. Okay, so this is all about your question number 7. This is 7b. And this is your whole question 7.